Hello everyone, today we'll be drawing a spring flower, and I am going to start out with a pencil, which is what I would recommend in case you make any mistakes, and draw lightly. Right now I'm drawing the petals, and they are kind of in these floppy U shapes facing in all directions, but they don't have to be perfect. If they're not in a complete U shape, that's okay, because a flower isn't going to have perfect petals. For the stem, just draw two curved lines. At the end of the stem, I'm just drawing a little patch of grass. I'm going to connect the leaf with a small stem connecting to the flower stem, and a line down the middle. Now it's time to color the flower to make it look beautiful, and you can use colored pencils or markers. That's what I'm using, markers. I love the colors of purple and yellow together. Now it's time to outline, so grab your Sharpie, pen, or dark marker and outline your drawing. And you're done! Great work! For more fun videos, make sure you subscribe to On Top of the Sun. And if you'd like to watch another drawing video about how to draw a springtime bee, then you can click right here. Well, see you guys next time! Bye!